Today we are going to learn CODESYS software. We are going to implement a simple ladder logic program. Then we will connect the PLC with the CODESYS software. We are using Rtelligent PLC, which is compatible with CODESYS software. And we will discuss about the communication between the PLC software and PLC, how to do it, how to do the connections of it, etc. Let's begin. Open the CODESYS software. In this we are also going to use push buttons, relay, and we are going to connect the laptop to PLC using Ethernet cable. New project, name your project as simple LED program. Select standard project. We are using Rtelligent technology, which is compatible with our PLC and ladder logic programming. And press OK. It is building relationship table. Then you go in PLC program. In PLC program, it's still loading. This current value cannot be guaranteed or time has been loaded. Please wait for a moment. Okay. Let us start reading. We will take this as a switch. We will name it as switch 1. Then we will select the type bool. Okay. Then tap here and select this for lamp. Name it as a lamp 1. Enter. Type bool. Okay. Then right click on application. Add object. Visualization. Activate. Then add. And then add a lamp. Click on dip switch. The variable we have assigned in the code, we have to bind them here. Click on application, PLC program, switch 1, then go into lamp. Same process, variables, 3 dots, application, PLC program, lamp 1. Then we have to go into common local IO, right click, add device, local IO, then close this window. In local IO we are going to give input output, internal input output mapping. In this we have to search for input bit IB%IB0. Click on plus, then assign here switch. Okay, and then in QB0, this is our output to the relay. Add bit 0, assign it with lamp 1. Then go to device. Now we are going to communicate with our PLC. Go to scan network. Here it is showing our device, but for this you have to go to your Wi-Fi settings, then go to network and internal settings. Then go to change adapter option, then go to properties in Ethernet, then tap on internal protocol version 4. Here the IP address should match with your PLC. I have already given the IP address of my PLC 192.168.1.1. This is the IP address of Rtelligent PLC. Then press OK. OK. Then disable. Then again go and enable it. It is enabled. Then cut all the windows. Then select RT. Okay, this device does not match up your device object. Okay. Select OK. Our PLC is in start mode. Here our device is connected. Now just go to online. Before going online, we will generate the first. I will clear all. Yes. When we press on clear all, it deletes all the history of the PLC and our CODESYS program. Now go to build, generate code. Our code has been generated without any error. Then go to device, check our device is active. Then go to online. Make sure you are not in simulation mode. Then go to login. Press yes. We are now totally connected to the PLC. Then here press run button. Our PLC is in now run mode. Go to visualization. Now if I press the push button, this will be on, and if I leave the button, it will be off. This is how we have to do the connections of the PLC to the software. Now I will show the connection to the PLC. You can see the connections. In this we have connected one Ethernet cable with laptop, as well as we have connected it with the PLC at the Ethernet port. We have used SNMP-based, which output is 24 volt, which is given to the PLC. We have used push buttons as an input to the PLC and output as an relay. When I press this button, it is 0, bit 0. When I press this button, output is bit 0 of relay. Now you can see it. When I press this button, you can hear the relay sound, and as well as one LED is blinking. And here also you can see input output, and here when I press this button, lamp gets on and off. In this video we have learned how to communicate between PLC, actual PLC hardware, and between the CODESYS software. And also we have completed our simple ladder logic program. Thank you for watching this video.